Hello and welcome to the latest Circadian FX market Mumble. So as you might be able to see just over my shoulder here, the pound has climbed pretty steadily and consistently from around 107.5 against the euro up to around 113. So that must all be about good news around Brexit, right? Well, wrong actually. There's a lot more to it than that. You cannot use the pound euro rate to see how the pound is going economically, to find just one thing about it. There's a lot more to it that goes into what makes an FX rate. So let's look at a couple of examples. What's driving the market at the moment? Well, there's some fairly strong concerns about China growth. There are also concerns about a US-EU trade war, which is having an impact on the euro. Probably more importantly, there are major tensions between Iran and the US. There's the Saudi oil attacks has led to some very dramatic and sharp price moves in the price of oil, for example. And the oil price has an impact on some currencies quite sharply. So what that means is that the US dollar has improved, has strengthened. The Swiss franc has strengthened, as both those currencies are seen as safe haven currencies. So when there's a lot of geopolitical risk and drama out there, then the dollar and the Swissy appreciate. Also the Canadian dollar, the Aussie dollar and other commodity related currencies have all strengthened. The pound is somewhere in between and seems to get pulled around both ways, but at the moment most of these moves seem to be sterling positive, so that's giving a little bit of support to the pound. But all these things are underpinned by, well, if you're getting a good price on your foreign exchange, if you're getting a good rate, then you're fine. If you're getting a poor rate, then a lot of these moves would be irrelevant. If you're paying 2, 3, 4, 5% on your FX, then these moves are just going to pale into insignificance. So my point is, you need to deal with a specialist. You need to deal with somebody that knows what they're doing. You need to deal with someone that will look after you when things go wrong. And Circadian FX will do all those things. So please do get in touch. Give us a call if there's anything we can do to help, and we'll try our best. Thanks very much.